Hey fashionistas, welcome back to my channel. If you loved our last video on hairstyles for different face shapes, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into even more fabulous hairstyles that will make you look and feel like $1,000,000. But before we get started, make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on so you don't miss out on any beauty goodness. Diamond faces, you're up first again. If you're channeling your inner Tyra Banks or Vanessa Hudgens, a chin-length bob could be your next go-to style. This cut is all about framing your face and highlighting your cheekbones. The chin-length bob gives a balanced look, drawing attention away from a narrow forehead or jawline. It's chic, it's stylish, and it's perfect for showing off those diamond-like angles. Heart-shaped faces like Scarlett Johansson and Kerry Washington, you're in for a treat. Ever heard of the curve cut? It's a hairstyle that adds curves and waves around your face, balancing out the wider forehead and narrower chin. The curve cut is like a hug for your face, soft, embracing, and totally adorable. It's a great way to add some dynamic movement to your locks while flattering your unique face shape. Round-faced beauties, this one's for you. If you're vibing with Selena Gomez or Emma Stone, the wolf cut is your new best friend. Imagine a mullet and a shag had a baby. That's the wolf cut. It's edgy, it's cool, and it adds some much-needed angles to a round face. This cut gives you volume on top and sleekness on the sides, elongating your face and making you look like the rock star you are. Oblong faces like Sandra Bullock and Kim Kardashian, you're not left out. Subtle layers with round wispy bangs are the way to go. The layers add width to the sides of your face, while the wispy bangs break up the length. It's a soft, romantic look that adds balance and charm to an oblong face. You'll be turning heads left and right, trust me. Oval faces, you're up! Celebs like Emma Watson and Kristen Stewart have this versatile face shape. A long bob or lob is a classic that never goes out of style. It's long enough to be versatile but short enough to add some oomph. The lob frames an oval face perfectly, adding just the right amount of structure and flair. You can straighten it, curl it, or let it go natural. The world is your oyster. Square faces, you've got that strong defined jawline like Katie Holmes and Olivia Wilde. A layered haircut with curtain bangs is your ticket to softening those angles. The layers add movement and depth, while the curtain bangs frame your face beautifully. This hairstyle is both elegant and playful, making your square face look more dynamic and less, well, square. Last, but definitely not least, triangle faces like Amanda Seyfried and Victoria Beckham. A bob with bottleneck bangs is your match made in heaven. This cut adds volume at the crown, balancing out the wider forehead. The bottleneck bangs, longer on the sides and shorter in the middle, frame your face and draw attention to your eyes. It's a bold look that's sure to make a statement. And there you have it, my awesome fashionistas. Another round of amazing hairstyles for every face shape. Remember, these are just guidelines. The most important thing is that you feel confident and fabulous in your own skin, or hair in this case. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more beauty magic. Until next time, stay fabulous.